Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare gram flour dosa, Besan Flour Dosa, no carb diet for weight loss. Ingredients for gram flour dosa, Besan Flour Dosa: 2 cups of gram flour, that is Besan flour, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida Powder, that is hing, 1½ teaspoon of Cumin Seed, 1½ teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Turmeric powder, 1 green chilli, little coriander leaves, 2 onion, 2 tomato, 2 carrot, salt to taste, and required oil. So peel the skin using the potato peeler. We have cut the onion, carrot and tomato in die shape. We are going to grind this one as a coarse paste. So we are transferring this to blender jar. So we will grind this one as coarse paste. We grinded that one, all the three together, carrot, onion and tomato as a coarse paste. We are going to add the cumin seed with the gram flour, Asafoetida powder, hing, green chilli, that is crushed Ajwain and black pepper, Kashmiri chilli powder and turmeric powder, chopped coriander, finally we are going to add the crushed paste of carrot, onion and tomato. This is actually no carb diet, very good for weight loss. Salt to taste. Mix it well. Be careful while adding the water. Add little, mix, then if you require then add. I will show you the consistency. So you have to properly whisk to prepare the batter. Whisk well. It's giving a nice color, very attractive. It requires some more water. Add little water, check the consistency, then add more. I will show you the final consistency, how it should be. So this is the consistency, required consistency. This is the consistency. So you have to mix this consistency like this consistency. Add little water, whisk well, then look for this consistency. Just grease the tawa well. So this is not non-stick tawa, this is iron tawa. So spread like this using spatula. Very nice color. Just pour the oil on the edges and lid. it for approximately a minute. Remove the lid. We're going to flip to other side. See, it's nicely cooked. A little more oil on the edges. That's it, finished. Both the sides cooked well. Gram flour dosa from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please comment back in the comment box about this taste and how it is. Thanks for watching.